Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you planning to prepare for MRCOG Part 1 exam but confused about eligibility form? Don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through MRCOG Part 1 eligibility assessment form step by step. What to fill, which documents to attach and how to submit it correctly so your application doesn't get rejected. This form is only for first-time MRCOG candidates. If you have already taken any part of MRCOG before or your eligibility was previously approved, you don't need to fill it again. Download the eligibility assessment application form from the RCOG website. Link is mentioned in the description. Open the PDF and choose whether you want to fill it online or print and handwrite it. Let's go step by step. First, fill the RCOG account number. Make sure there are no spaces in between. If you don't have one, register at the RCOG website first. Fill in your personal details. Your last name should be exactly as on your passport or ID. If you have no last name, add just a single dot. First name as on your ID. Then choose gender. Date of birth, use that exact format. Then comes the medical qualification. Enter your medical registration number, your primary medical qualification, example MBBS, MD, MS. Use official abbreviations on your degree. Then fill in your full university name as on your medical degree. Fill in the country of your primary medical degree, example India. Note, if you're GMC registered, you don't need to attach your medical degree certificate. But if you're not GMC registered, you must attach either your medical degree certificate or your registration certificate that shows your degree and university. Then comes the ethnicity and diversity monitoring. This is optional. Tick what applies. Then read all the instructions, signatures and mention the date. Do a final check. So you have to attach two files. One is the completed eligibility form you filled. The other is your primary medical registration certificate or your degree certificate, a scanned copy of it. If any document is not in English, attach an authorized English translation. Send these documents to the email ID displayed. Keep the subject as Part 1 Eligibility Assessment Application. In the bracket, mention your college number. You should receive an automatic response with next steps. If you don't receive a reply, check your spam folder. So the processing time is usually 4 weeks. Let me share some insider tips. Use the same email ID across your RCOG account and form, otherwise you may miss important updates. Always save your form as a PDF before sending. Don't send pictures or Word files. And send your documents in one email with a clear subject line. Multiple emails can confuse the processing team. Once your documents are verified, you'll get a confirmation that your eligibility is approved. Only then you can go ahead and book for Part 1 exam. And that's it. Your MRCOG Part 1 eligibility form is done. If you still have doubts, drop them in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer. Thank you.